Hi, good morning. My name is Rio. I'm an endodontist from Jakarta. Today I'm very happy because I just got a new box of surprise from Sanctuary Dental, and I want to share this happiness with you regarding what inside the box and how to use it and etc. Earlier in this morning, before I made this video, I have already opened all this stuff, and then it contains 5 of wingless clamps and then 7 of wing clamps from Sanctuary Dental, and of course they also gave me this forceps. So I think they have made a remarkable products, particularly now their clamps are different from the previous clamps. Their clamps now are sandblasted, so it has a good finish. It has more better color than before, not as a regular stainless steel clamps, but also they have more better material than before. And in these clamps, they have also included these brinker clamps to be used in subgingival caries, and it is suitable for or to be used in class 5 restoration or heavily distracted tooth structures and when the gingiva needs to be retracted. These 12 clamps are to be used in adults, maybe because they knew that I'm an endodontist who works mainly on adults. But hey, even though you are using these clamps on a periodontic patient, if the clamp is wet enough, then you can also try this clamps to your periodontic patients or etc. If the tooth is quite small, you can also use the clamps dedicated for periodontic patients to an adult patients. So let's try this first before trying in my patients. So how good is this forceps, by the way? So the forceps actually has wide opening. So this wide opening is very crucial for me, particularly because when you are dealing with patients, you need to open the clamps so big so that it won't disturb the insertion technique of yours. Or how to say that, the more opening you have on this forceps, the easier you will be during placing rubber dam clamps. So this clamp actually has 2.5 centimeters of opening, and you can also expand it to up to 3 centimeters when you do this. Just cross the handle like this, and you will get more openings like this. So I've already measured how big the openings is, and the opening is about 3 centimeters. And yes, it's good for us to be used in our patients. Let's see this. So they also gave me WA clamps number A and W2. It is dedicated for premolar and etc. You can just try to your patients, and I can wait to use it in my patients directly and test it whether this is good or not. So in the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to place the rubber dam clamp, maybe number 56 or number 3 in my patients before I started the restorative treatment or endodontic treatment protocols. So remember, no rubber dam, no good isolation, because rubber dam is the mandatory isolation, particularly when you are dealing with endodontic treatment or endodontic case. And this Sanctuary Dental has the best, in my opinion, the best rubber dam sheets, and now they have produced this kind of clamps. I think that their clamps is good. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for Sanctuary Dental for giving me this box of surprise. And see you in my next clinical case video. Stay happy, stay super, stay awesome, stay with me in this YouTube channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. God bless you all. Bye-bye.